Bring the joy of the season indoors with Festive potted plants. Poinsettias are a holiday classic, available in colors beyond the traditional red. Look for creams and pinks as other options. For a sophisticated, elegant touch, display them in pot covers with creams or off-white accents. Keep them in a bright spot away from direct sunlight and water only when the soil feels dry to the touch, allowing excess water to drain before replacing the pot cover to avoid soggy roots. Potted hydrangeas, often called Christmas flowers, offer a softer festive touch with their large blooms in pink, blue, white, and red. Displayed in woven baskets, they bring a country charm to decor, or use them as cut flowers in a vase for indoor decoration. Place hydrangeas in a bright spot away from direct sunlight and water when the soil feels dry. Mist their leaves daily to maintain humidity, avoiding their flowers, and feed weekly with a liquid fertilizer during flowering. Plant them in your garden after the holidays and enjoy their beauty for years to come. Why not add a touch of elegance to your festive decor with Phalaenopsis orchids? These moth orchids thrive in bright, indirect light and require weekly watering to keep their colorful blooms looking their best. For a festive table display with a sense of tropical luxury, place an orchid in the center of the table surrounded by moss, baubles, pine cones, candles, and even some driftwood. Simple yet effective. These plants also make thoughtful gifts, bringing joy to any celebration and room. Find all these plants and more at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeisgarden.co.za to locate one near you.